Welcome back to our channel, Fitness and Wellness Insights. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most effective workout strategies, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. We'll dive into the benefits of HIIT and explain why it has gained so much popularity among fitness enthusiasts. So, if you're ready to take your workouts to the next level, let us get started. HIIT involves alternating short bursts of intense exercise with brief recovery periods. This type of training can be applied to various exercises, such as running, cycling, bodyweight exercises, or even weightlifting. Let us explore the numerous benefits of incorporating HIIT into your fitness routine. Benefit 1, Time efficiency. One of the main advantages of HIIT is its time efficiency. Traditional cardio workouts can be time-consuming, requiring long periods of steady-state exercise. With HIIT, you can achieve the same or even greater benefits in a fraction of the time. Due to its high intensity, HIIT workouts are typically shorter, ranging from 10 to 30 minutes. This makes it a perfect option for busy individuals looking to maximize their workout efficiency. Benefit 2, Fat burning. HIIT is renowned for its ability to burn fat effectively. During high-intensity intervals, your body taps into its stored fat for energy. These intense bursts push your heart rate up, stimulating your metabolism and promoting the afterburn effect, also known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption (EPOC). This means you continue to burn calories even after your workout, helping you shed those extra pounds. Benefit 3, Cardiovascular health. Regular HIIT workouts can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. By consistently challenging your heart and lungs during intense intervals, HIIT strengthens your cardiovascular system. Over time, this leads to increased endurance, better oxygen delivery, and improved overall heart health. Studies have shown that HIIT can lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Benefit 4, Muscle tone and strength. Many people mistakenly believe that HIIT is only beneficial for cardio fitness. However, HIIT can also be an excellent tool for building muscle tone and strength. During intense intervals, you engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to increased muscle fiber recruitment and growth. Whether you're performing bodyweight exercises or incorporating weights, HIIT can help you develop lean muscle mass and achieve a toned physique. Benefit 5, Metabolic health. HIIT can have a positive impact on your metabolic health as well. This type of training improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar levels more efficiently. Additionally, HIIT has been shown to increase mitochondrial function, which is responsible for producing energy within your cells. Improved mitochondrial function can lead to enhanced energy levels, increased productivity, and better overall metabolic health. Benefit 6, Variety and fun. Another advantage of HIIT is the variety it offers in your workouts. With HIIT, you can mix and match different exercises, intensity levels, and durations. This variability keeps your workouts fresh, prevents boredom, and allows you to target different muscle groups. You can get creative with HIIT and even incorporate elements of agility, plyometrics, or martial arts. This makes your workouts more enjoyable, helping you stay motivated and committed to your fitness goals. Conclusion, and there you have it, the benefits of high-intensity interval training. From time efficiency and fat burning to cardiovascular health and muscle tone, HIIT offers a wide range of advantages. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, incorporating HIIT into your routine can take your workouts to the next level. Remember to start at a pace that suits your fitness level and gradually increase intensity over time. As with any exercise program, it's always important to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and wellness insights. And as always, leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Keep pushing yourself and enjoy the incredible benefits of high-intensity interval training. Stay fit and healthy.